Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 22nd of March. On intraday analysis, we are just covering Bitcoin and some other charts with you. Alright, before starting the Bitcoin chart, we will just go ahead with some news. There is no progress on this Russia and Ukraine conflict, and still there are a lot of uncertainties going on there. At the same time, US and UK is just intervening with the sanctions, and then they are just like pressing, putting on that way, but it's not helping. The people are just fleeing from Ukraine to Poland and other European countries more and more each day. In some reports and analysis, this is kind of making pressure on the country. So for example, if a mother and potential mother just leave the country, it's not counted as one because potential child will just born in another country and that country's population will grow, but at the same time, Ukraine population will just decline and shrink in time. It's a massive land for those people, and it's a big loss for a lot of expats. All right, let's start with Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin is just making another rally on upward, but this time it's not like this, like it's just not one time rise. So this is making kind of in a trend line. If this just goes ahead like this way, so we will see probably more healthier than the previous rises. For example, this one, it was not healthy. It was a sudden jump and it didn't make any correction there. It just declined. But this time it is just making simultaneously, like it's just like making correcting itself, so taking profit. So we may see this one healthier than the previous attempts. If it can just manage to hold on 44k level, then we can just speak about some higher levels. But right now, still better to be kind of cautious on trading. If you just see some profit taking, you can take some sell options and make profit on that one. And also it's possible. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, our second chart is German DAX index. As you can see here from the beginning of March 16 for the last 1 week, it's just trying to hold its gains. The main reason for that one, it cannot go higher because the situation is not clear yet. It's just not going lower because there is an ECB support for the economy, and all the politicians are just saying that we are supporting companies and then we are supporting individuals in this wartime. That's why we just see little progress on higher side and little progress on lower side. It will just trading in a tight channel for these days, but still it's so fragile to news related to Ukraine and Russia. If we just hear some more stories from that side, positive one will just push it higher levels, and negative ones will just keep it and push it to lower levels. That's also expected scenario. But as you can see here, is just making time spending on here kind of part on that one. Even the volumes are less compared to previous weeks. All right, let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is Tesla. Why we are covering the Tesla today? It's because it's a special day for Tesla. They are opening officially their Berlin Gigafactory, and first 30 cars will be handed over to its buyers by Elon Musk. Even Olaf Scholz and then the cabinets minister will just join that ceremony, and we don't know that it will be physically or like a video conference, but still it will be like that. And that's a big progress because they want to anti themselves from Russian gas, and electric cars are a solution for these kind of attempts. They have just fastened these kind of investment in Europe, especially the biggest market of Europe, biggest car market of Europe in Germany. So with US Open, if you just hear some more good stories from Tesla, maybe some other special announcement, it may keep this price on higher level. At a local time at 1:30, it will start in around like at 2:30. It will just like hand it over. So within like a few hours later, we will see that ceremony will take place. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news and more charts this afternoon. We will cover more analysis with you. Have a nice day. Bye.